Well, it has been a decade since a devastating tornado outbreak hit several North Texas counties. On December 26, 2015, 12 confirmed tornadoes touched down across 8 counties. The Sunnyvale Garland Rowlett tornado was rated an EF4 and produced winds of up to 166 miles per hour. Sadly, 13 people died. More than half of those fatalities occurred on I-30 and the George Bush Turnpike. Several other people were injured. Fox 4's Alex Boyer spoke with the Garland police lieutenant who was on duty that day.
Garland Police Lieutenant Pedro Baranel was the chief point of contact for the media in 2015 and has been heavily involved in the recovery efforts over the past decade. He now joins me live this morning to talk about that 10-year anniversary. Good morning, Pedro.
Hey, good morning, Alex. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Pedro, I remember, the city of Garland, of course, we know was heavily impacted by that tornado outbreak. What do you personally remember about that day?
I remember the day itself was actually a very nice weather day. When that tornado struck in the evening time, it was just total devastation from what I remember. Tornado touched down in Sunnyvale, went through Garland in a northeast manner towards 30 and George Bush, and then over the lake into Rowlett. And I remember just the amount of devastation that this tornado caused, affecting so many people in Garland.
Yeah, absolutely. And, we know you, of course, because you're a public information officer and kind of understand the relationship and how that dynamic works. But if you can kind of talk to our viewers about, really how challenging it was for first responders to mobilize, that day, considering the widespread damage that we had.
Yeah, so typically, when first responders go to a scene, I mean, their first priority is safety and security. This one was one in which we had to just adjust. There was cars thrown about, houses that were destroyed. We had so many calls from people in the community talking about how they were trapped and how this tornado just fully impacted them. And so we had to just totally adjust. We went to the scene of the 30 and 190 in George Bush to tend to the people in the vehicles. We had to deploy all the way into the neighborhoods, and the rescue efforts were one in which, although we planned for it, is one that which we hope we never have to deal with. But ultimately, when it came down to it, the way the first responders responded and reacted, I think we did an amazing job. But it was just challenging because of the amount of calls and the amount of damage that this tornado caused.
Yeah, no, absolutely, Pedro. And we know, again, we've been talking about this today being the 10-year anniversary. I know you've been involved, in the recovery efforts. What kind of stands out to you over the way the community has really kind of bounced back over this, decade?
One thing that really stands out to me is the fact that, just going back to the preparation, we prepared for something to this magnitude. However, we hope we never have to deal with it. The biggest thing that really stands out is the resilience of this community, the fact that not one person stood on the sideline. Everybody came in and worked together as one. And ultimately, despite the damage that was caused by this tornado and the effect that it caused on so many people's lives, we as a community we're resilient, and today we're stronger than ever, just because of what we've been able to accomplish and what we went through to just really get back to a normal life, so to speak, because there's no such thing as normal, but resiliency is the best thing.